Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I would like to buy a train ticket, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to London.
One way or return?
Return, please.
What time would you like to travel to London?
At 10 a.m., if possible.
Yes, we have a train at 10 a.m. and another at 11 a.m.
I will take the 10 a.m. train.
All right. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Standard class or first class?
Standard class, please.
Okay. That will be £25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Done. Thank you.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you. Which platform is it?
Platform 3. Please be there 10 minutes before departure.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Thanks again. Goodbye. This was a daily English conversation at the train station. Practice it slowly and clearly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.